And this is what this slide will teach us. Stress and time management. You see, learning to relax on an everyday basis, bringing calmness into our system. And calmness is the property of a noble mind. Calmness is not sleep. True inner calm comes from honest hard work and your ability to keep your system cool and stable. It is not, 12 hours of sleep and I will be stress free. Kya matlab hua? So calm mind, calm nerves is equal to success. This is the first thing. You must learn to relax deeply. इसके लिए योग चाहिए. A sense of deep inner peace, relaxation, calmness. Always, even in your workplaces. Not just early morning 5 minutes, not like that. Wherever you are. So that people find you reliable. A very high-strung person cannot be considered reliable. कब क्या करेगा कोई बोल नहीं सकता. है ना? But if you are habitually calm, you will be looked upon as a reliable person. A person whom people can trust. Because your reactions can be predicted. So this is the first point. A calm mind has plenty of time. Have you observed this? Restless minds have no time. Because the problem is here. It is our restlessness that swallows time. Mind has limited cognitive capacity, so you should utilize it best. Then, you plan your routine. Stress and time management go together. Many of us do not have a very beautiful routine, life routine, everyday life, how we lead. We are very, very, you can say, absolutely not committed to living a routine life. We are outrageous actually. We get up at any time, we sleep at any time, we eat any food. We have no routine absolutely. Many students are like, you see, I teach in IIT, Delhi, and there every student has this problem. Basic life routine is not there. The very word routine is allergic, they are allergic. Routine? नहीं. कुछ नया होना चाहिए life में, क्या routine? But then when they know all this, they understand that unless you have a routine life, let's not use the word routine, let us say your lifestyle is very positive or well-organized life. That is acceptable, isn't it? Better than routine. So if you have an organized lifestyle, what happens is you have definite hours for sleeping, getting up, eating. You know what to eat, where to eat, how to eat. Healthy food, not always McDonald's. If you have this kind of a life, what happens is your energies move in a particular regulated way. The pranic energy within you. Mind will remain clear. If very haphazard lifestyle, very difficult to control stress. This is one thing we should remember. A certain amount of organized everyday life. And then this and time management go together. Then yoga and exercise. Yoga, I told you, calming your mind, freeing it from thoughts. At least 5 minutes a day you should practice. Not that you will achieve it for the whole 5 minutes. You may achieve it for 5 seconds or 5 fractions of a second, but that helps. So yoga and exercise, of course. These go together. Some method to calm the mind like meditation, breathing exercises. The beauty of breathing, regulating your breath is, when you regulate your breathing, try it right here. Sit straight, all of you. Yes, you just keep the backbone straight, mind becomes alert. See how simple it is. And then regulate your breath. Try it right here. This is no theory. Just regulate your breath. You can actually watch your mind. You are not overpowered by your thoughts. Just long drawn out breathing. Not small breaths, not restlessness. Small breath is equal to restlessness. Long breath is equal to calmness. Try it right here and see. When you are angry, just regulate your breath, you will become calm. When you are stressed out, regulate your breath, you will relax. कितना simple है एक procedure. Isn't this true? You get in a position that you are objectively seeing your mind. क्या हो रहा है? No negative emotion can remain if there is proper breathing. Then resolve the emotional complex through right attitude. Always remember, honesty is not just the best policy, it's the only policy. Anywhere, if you compromise on this, you will fall into great trouble. Now, I don't want to give you examples. You know it in your heart of hearts. That is why right attitude, by being absolutely honest, then only you are found to be absolutely reliable. This is the way to climb the ladder of success. In any workspace, you are absolutely reliable because you are absolutely honest with your emotions, with your attitudes, with your thoughts, and so with others. And then positive outlook. That should be our default state, naturally grateful, contented, positive, radiating positivity on all sides. Speak good words. Of course, that is part of corporate culture nowadays. So all this, simple living, high thinking principles, all this help us manage stress and time. The bottom line is there is no substitute to a clean life. Honest, purposeful, pure, dedicated to high ideals keeps the body and mind healthy. It's only when I can't do this that stress builds up. So this is the bottom line for stress.